The ghosts of Christmases past are here tonight. I almost wish you weren't standing in the light.